Open quote, important. EA Sports FC26 uses your EA account. There is no separate FC26 account to delete. Deleting your EA account permanently removes access to EA games, progress, purchases, and linked services. Close quote. Number 1, backup important information. Make sure you want to permanently delete your account. Note that game progress and purchases cannot usually be recovered. Save any important account information before proceeding. 2. Sign in to your EA account. Open your web browser. Go to the official EA account website. Sign in using your EA account credentials. Verify your identity if prompted. 3. Review linked accounts. Open your account settings. Check linked PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, or Epic Games accounts. Review connected services before deleting your account. 4. Visit EA Help. Go to the EA Help website. Sign in with the same EA account. Navigate to the account support section. Look for account deletion options. 5. Contact EA support. Select Manage My Account. Choose Delete Account as your issue. Start a live chat or create a support case. Request permanent account deletion. 6. Complete identity verification. Confirm your email address. Verify ownership of the account. Answer any security questions if required. Follow the instructions provided by EA support. 7. Confirm the deletion request. Carefully read the warning message. Confirm that you understand the consequences. Approve the permanent deletion request. Wait for confirmation from EA. Check your email. Open your registered email account. Look for an email from EA. Follow any confirmation link if required. Complete the verification process. 9. Wait for EA to process the request. Allow EA time to review your request. Avoid logging into the account during processing. Wait for the final confirmation email. Verify that the account has been closed. 10. Remove saved login information. Sign out of the EA app and your console. Remove saved passwords from your browser if desired. Delete the EA app cache if necessary. Confirm that the account is no longer accessible. Bonus tip. If you only want to stop playing EA Sports FC26 instead of deleting your EA account, uninstall the game from your device. Cancel EA Play if you no longer need it. Unlink connected gaming accounts only if appropriate. Contact EA support for help with unlinking instead of deleting. Remember that deleting your EA account affects all EA games, not just EA Sports FC26.